Greetings there props fans, it's Tony here from Caveman Props, and I'm with you today with something a little bit different. I'm doing a unboxing video. I've come outside because it's the kind of only space I've got big enough to obviously be able to show you this. But this is something I ordered quite a while ago. It's come from Hasbro, so it is a toy, but it's a replica of a prop that I've had on my makers list for quite a while and just never really got around to it. I've seen the original, or one of the originals, so it kind of prompted me to want to build it, having seen the original. And then I saw this come up, and it was a little while ago, and I pre-ordered it, and it turned up today. I've literally come off of work and the parcel is here, so we're going to unbox it and see what you think. Got a knife, I'm just going to be very careful. Just open this up. So what we'll do is we're going to check everything, see, because usually they're quite good with their packaging as well. Oh, I'm not going to be disappointed either. Oh wow. Now to begin with, this looks pretty good. It's a brilliant box. It's obviously got the shelf there. As you might be able to tell now, if you can actually read that, this is a replica of the rifle from Aliens. So box is beautiful. It's done like a proper ammo case. It's got holes in it. This is brilliant. Okay, we're going to open this up. Just going to see what it's like inside. Oh, that's just a sheath there. Taped on there. Ah, they've taped this on, which is a shame because it started pulling the material up. Right, that one there. Right. How does this open up? Right. Ooh, so it's got like a details on the inside here. This is really good. So you kind of always got a schematic of it. The Whaling Corp logo on there. So there's a little bit here that holds it in. You see the packaging has been done really well. It's just the sellotape bit that annoyed me a little bit. So there we go. It's not even tied in. Oh. Now look at that. This is pretty much spot on. The details on it are brilliant. Obviously it says Aliens on the side there. It's even got a little bit there for loading. Magazine for the Nerfs. Ooh. Might have to find some and see if I can give this a go. I think it's obviously going to take battery, so I'm going to have a look at the instructions. But we'll take a closer look at this, Asian, and you see what you think. Right, now on closer inspection of the box, there's a little bit here that we just open up, and it came with some Nerfs in it. Obviously the standard size, but it also comes with bigger, thicker ones. And what you do, these go into the grenade launcher. They just sit in the front, then you pull the handle back, pump it again, and there's a second trigger just here. Boom. Okay, it comes with a magazine, and which holds 10 of the Nerf darts, which luckily is what it comes with. Unfortunately, it also takes C-size batteries, which I don't have, so I can't fire it at the moment. But as soon as I get some batteries, let me try that. Obviously, the grenade launcher doesn't need anything like that to fire. Works completely off the pump action compression. The detail on it is brilliant. It's Nerf logoed up, but I still quite like it. The only thing is there's no like bolt pull there, even if it just had something that could screw in there to make it look as if you had the proper thing. But there we go. I'm very pleased with this. I think this came out brilliantly, and it's been well worth the wait. The detail on this is brilliant. Detail on the box, even on the back. They've put a lot of work into getting the details of this correct, and with the box and the packaging, which they do intend to do with a lot of the specialist products like this. But I am really kind of quite happy with this. I'm going to have a little play around, get some nice pictures of it, and there we go. Hopefully enjoy it. And I might think about doing a paint job and making this look more like a movie one. Hello.